What is the probability of knowing what is going to happen after the elections, right? This chart right here shows us exactly what usually happens after every election. This is the chart of the US Russell 2000. Now, why we're using the US Russell 2000? Because the US Russell 2000 is a stock market index that measures the performance of 2000 smaller companies. As you can see, it's better used compared to the S&P 500 because it's a bellwether for the US economy. So through that chart, you can judge whether the US economy is doing fine. And right here, I have marked every single place where we had elections, or probably in the last 3 elections. As you can see in 2012, right here, this was after the elections. We saw that the Russell 2000 saw a massive pump to the upside. The same thing happened in 2016 when Trump won. We saw another push to the upside. 2012 was Obama. We saw a push to the upside. 2016 was Trump. We saw a push to the upside. 2020 was Joe Biden. We saw a massive push to the upside. And what has happened to Bitcoin in those periods? We can see the same thing has happened to Bitcoin, or basically the crypto market. After every elections, we usually see a massive pump right here in the crypto market, right? So as you can see in 2012 when Obama won, we can see that massive pump which we had in the crypto market right here for Bitcoin, or basically crypto in general. The same thing we saw in 2016 when Trump won. We saw a massive push to the upside right here in the crypto market. The same thing happened in 2020. We saw another massive push to the upside. So basically, we can safe to say that usually after elections, we usually see a massive push to the upside. Now, we want to estimate what could happen after this election and what could we see the price prediction right here for this coin. So, according to the election or election cycle theory, if we usually see that pump usually after the elections, let us try to locate what could be the price prediction right here for Bitcoin after the elections. If we just use our Fibonacci price prediction tool, drawing this right here from top to bottom, we could see right here that we could see price exactly at those one Fibonacci level. And if we understand according to Fibonacci, the 1.618 is a very huge level right here for Bitcoin. Then usually after the election, probably in November stroke December stroke 2025, we could see a massive push towards that $103,000 level right here for Bitcoin. We understand that according to Fibonacci, the 1.618 is a very huge level for any asset. And so if we see that happen, if we see that rally which we usually see after every election, then in the next 2 to 3 months going into 2025, we could see a push towards those $103 level. So that's the update right here for Bitcoin. Thank you for watching and have a blessed week.